Phony moments.
Place alerts by Life360.
I had an idea for a wedding dress campaign. So I sketched out the visual concept first. Then I used CapCut to
This person deserves a scholarship.
The funniest kid test answer.
Write 80 to 100 words. 80 to 100 words. My favorite thing to do at school is leaving. If I was the teacher, I would give this kid an A. Defend your answer. Sarge, I don't know how much longer we can hold them. Bob has 36 candy bars. He eats 29. What does he...
How much do you think he has? 4.
Yeah.
The answer would be 7.
have now? Diabetes. Bob has
Diabetes is crazy. Bob has diabetes.
diabetes. In a word, describe
Hell. Okay, stop unpausing.
school. Hell, why do we pay taxes? So we don't get arrested. I told my students to write, excuse me. Me, walking through a crowd at a festival. Friend of mine's math teacher responds to a doodle he drew on his test. Almost free. You shall not pass. I found my kindergarten notebook. What is your favorite vegetable? Brogel. Vampire bats eat pig. I, too, am a fan of Brogel. Who is your hero? Dad. Why do you consider this person your hero? He is brave. Is there anything your hero is frightened of? Mom. Dream big, Chris. What do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be Michael Jackson when I grow up. What do you need to do to achieve your dreams? 1. Get bigger. 2. Shave my head. 3. Be black. If kids wrote greeting cards. My mom is as nice as a glass of lemonade. I have middle school students that cannot read a clock. Draw a small clock that shows 10 minutes past 11. Miss King asked her students to use the word single in a sentence. Miss King is single. That means she does not have a man. Can you draw this ship? No. Problems. Fill in the solutions. You fell on the playground and scratched your knee. Solutions. Get up and deal with it. Suggest one cause of deforestation. This paper. Finish the sentence.
He's not wrong. Wait, that is kind of 100 IQ, bro. Because paper is made from trees and
I
deforestation.
would quit and get a job I would enjoy. What do we call the science of classifying living things? Racism. People get grey hair because they are dying. Question 1. Explain how the Cold War started. No. My friend on his chemistry test. Top secret. This girl in my class writes like a robot. Pretty sure that is a robot. Frankie. I earn money at home. Bye. I don't. I am a freeloader. This is why my kid is going places. Bobby has 4 dimes. Amy has 30 pennies. What child has more money? Bobby. How do you know? Shit you're thinking. Bobby. Briefly explain what hard water is. Ice. Construct a banana car. I want to retake this test, please. I worry about my cat. I am happy when I see my cat. I am sad when I don't see my cat. My responsibility is my cat. Can a man still reproduce with only 1 testicle? No. Girls don't find that shit attractive. Nice try. A pig is a pig until it becomes bacon. In my opinion, morning is frightening because I must get up. What was your favorite part of the show? I had no favorite part of the show, but I liked the bus ride. Draw a picture of your favorite part. My year 8 students had to do a budgeting activity pretending they were living out of a home on $2,000 a month, and I find this written on their help. I can't breathe. Please don't let me live on my own. I spent $32 on asparagus. This kid is ahead of the game. Write 5 words you can spell. 5 words you can spell. Very clever.
Well,
Say, you're lost.
yeah, 5
Walk away.
words
You
you
see she's
can
getting
spell.
angry. You felt that feeling too. Describe a time when you felt angry. When I found this homework in my backpack. What did you do? Did it? How would you make a marriage work? Tell your wife she looks pretty, even if she looks like a dump truck. This kid should be teaching the class instead. 10 words I can spell right. 10 words I can spell right are octopus 7-2. 3 out of 10. See me after class. Draw a picture of what you will look like in 100 years. In 100 years, I will be years old. Warren, rip. Name a solid. Poop. Name a liquid. Pee. Name a gas. Fart. Alice places a prepared slide on her microscope. When she looks into it, she can't see anything. Suggest one reason she is blind. How big is space? It's like really big. 100%. Welcome to the team, Doctor. Rachel has 16 chocolate bars. Tracy takes 4 from her and asks for the remaining quarter. What would she end up with? A slab. Not the answer I was looking for. Is there enough information in the table to estimate the length of a day in Jupiter? Bacon. Give a reason for your answer. Bacon is always the answer. Provide an example of a risk. No. Washington's army didn't receive any support from Godzilla. It's technically true. My teacher would give you half a point or quarter point for an answer that was not wrong. This is not wrong. Me during finals. Jackie, you can't just white out a question you don't want to answer. Name 6 animals which live specifically in the Arctic. 2 polar bears, 4 seals. Why are there rings on Saturn? Because God liked it, so he put a ring on it. Saturn was not a single lady. Describe yourself in 3 words. I am a rebel. What is a major political issue facing Colombia today? Civil war. How might Colombia solve the problem of guerrillas trying to control the country? If a country can't figure it out, how can I? This kid is a smart one. If I had 100 friends, I would turn the phone off. Estimate the heart rate when the temperature is 98.7 degrees. 0 beats per minute. Draw a plant cell and identify its most important parts. No windows. Iron bars. What do you think is the best solution to overpopulation? Support your arguments with examples. The Hunger Games. When should a motorist use his or her bright beams when he wants to be a dickhead? This sums up my life pretty well. I don't know how, but you used the wrong formula and got the correct answer. Give me an A or the teddy bear gets it. And the teacher drawed the teddy bear dead. Write a question using why. Why? This boy is ugly. Enough is enough, Judy. What is a 6-sided polygon known as? A stop sign. The diagram below best illustrates. Giraffes are heartless creatures. Sure are. Explain the phrase free press when your mum irons your trousers for you. The man can run. The man pet the dog. You should not hit dogs. The fox ran. Hey, quick question. What is 19 times 34? Please answer. Please answer quick. The teacher's coming to collect the papers. Describe a good strategy for getting fake internet points. Make a fake test question and write a good answer with your left hand. Then, correct it in right-handed red pen. That's dumb. Nobody will believe that is real. Motivate your answer. Go answer. Go. Draw a polygon with exactly 6 sides. Be sure to use a ruler. What is the name of the polygon you drew? Hot dog. List 4 ways we can communicate with each other than sending a letter through the mail. Twitter, Facebook, FaceTime, Grindr. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune have at least 3 things in common. List them. 1. They are all planets. 2. They are all round. 3. None of them have McDonald's. Suppose you wanted to build a house on this land and still protect its natural resources. What could you do? How would it protect the natural resources? You can just forget about the house. Name a location, country or regional area that is sparsely populated. The ocean. State 1 reason why. Because humans can't breathe underwater. I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. Please make your sentences appropriate. I do read them. Mel sees a raft, a boat, and a ship on the water. They are all carrying people. Which holds the least? Farts. Think of different addition strategies. Write or draw 2 ways you can solve 4 plus 3. Way 1. Use your fingers. Way 2. Use your head. It's a quarter to 4. Draw the hands. If the shoe fits, buy it in every color. In the space below, please write any overall comments about this course or instructor not covered above. If I had 1 hour to live, I would spend it in this class because it feels like an eternity. This is what mum looks like in the morning. This is what mum looks like when she's going out. What were your goals for the semester? Be gay. Did you meet your goals? How? Why or why not? Oh yeah. Who would not want to grade this paper? Do not touch. Is my snot. It fell from my nose. Write 200,000 in figures. 200,000 in figures. 100 years from now, I will be 107. I hope someday that I will own 100 footballs and $100 bills. I never wish to own 100 ponies or 100 that thing. 100 years from now, I hope to be dead. Really? Give a brief explanation of the meaning of the term hard water, ice. Teachers, AI is a disaster. How am I going to know who is cheating? Students, I'm sorry, but as an AI language model, I am not able to complete this assignment. ChatGPT, rewrite the assignment in your own words. Write about your favorite female historical. This kid is going places. What country owns Greenland? Not Greenland. What will you remember the most about kindergarten? We did meth. If someone in the audience cannot hear you, you probably need to increase your audio or volume. Yeah. If the speaker never changes his rate or pitch, he might be speaking in a monotone. If someone suggests that you are slurring your words, you need to work on your alcoholism. Whoa, Sam can make 11 beaded necklaces in an hour. Sue can make 12. Sam made oh, I fucking hate.
Positive vibes only, guys. Positive vibes only.
Ads suck.
Well, that's the end of the video.
Yeah, I hope you
If you like it, subscribe.
And like and turn on the notifications and comment. What's your favorite color?
Comment your favorite color. Okay, see y'all later.
Yeah, we know where you live, y'all. We know where you live.
No, we don't. Don't listen
Yeah, we
to him.
do. We do.